Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look through the latest Teresa Goodridge book. Now this is a pre-order, so if you pre-ordered it you would have gotten it hopefully on time. Mine was 2 days late, but whatever. It was 2 days late and then I was late to film it, so obviously I'm not in a big rush, right? So this is Autumn Harvest, and let's pop it open. Perfect timing because I like to start breaking out the autumn books come August. Ooh, I love that. It still has that funky paper. Ooh, we get a gnome in this one. How cute. This is the one that's colored on the inside cover. So single-sided, perforated. It's just that weird paper that they switched to. It's still here, it seems. Oh, that's pretty. Having deja vu though. Isn't this in another fall book of hers? Am I losing it? I could be. I'll leave a link in the description below to this one too if you're interested. You don't have to use the link, but using those links does help my channel. Oh, that one's so cute. Even though I don't like the paper they switched to here, gosh, it's like a year now. Oh, I love this. I do still buy these because I love her artwork, and push comes to shove, I will scan it. However, Prismos do okay on this paper, so do Black Widows. My water-based or water-soluble don't. They leave lines, so I tend not to use them on there. It's cute if I like to color fur. I like that one. Another gnome. And there's another gnome one coming out soon too. I like this little whole harvest thing. Oh, that would be fun. Fun tutorial on grapes and pumpkins all in one. Her style is just so perfect. There's nothing. I've never gotten a book from her that I'm like, I hate it. Like, or even disappointment. Oh, isn't that adorable? Like, I love every book she creates. Look at these little gnome witches. Oh, I love that she's adding more gnomes. It's like becoming her thing now. I like that one too. Ooh, pumpkin spice. Yes, yes. Oh, this is gonna be perfect to break out and put in my whole pile that I'll have for just fall. Sweater weather. But yeah, this is on Amazon. You can snag it now. Oh, I like that one. A little harvest table set up. That is super cute. Oh, this one's adorable. Like I said, she never disappoints me. I love the variety too. We got indoor, outdoor, people, no people. That's cute. It's like a little farmer's market, fall festival. Oh, and then you can see how she colored it. She is so freaking talented, and she's just rocking out books. So keep going at it, Teresa, because I love them. But yes, this is the latest Autumn Harvest. I'll definitely be coloring in this. I usually start my fall books around August, and then just kind of go through till November because I can't get enough of witches, pumpkins, and all the like. So yeah, let me know if you ended up pre-ordering this one or if you plan to get it. If there's any color alongs or tutorials you'd like to see, you know, for pages in here, let me know. And until next time, take care. Bye now.